Supreme Court supporting President Trump in his quest to deport criminal migrants to El Salvador. So the Trump administration is using the Alien and Sedition Acts of 1798, which were huge acts, but here's the part. Quote, this is 1798. That it shall be lawful for the President of the United States at any time during the continuance of this act to order all such aliens as he judged dangerous to the peace and safety of the United States, or shall have reasonable grounds to suspect are concerned in any treasonable or secret machinations against the government thereof, to depart out of the territory of the United States. So the Trump administration says, hey, these undocumented gang members are dangerous to the United States, and we're going to boot them. And the federal judge, James Boasberg, U.S. District Court, Washington, goes, oh, you can't. No, we're stopping it. And then it goes to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court says you can, but here's the real important part. The Supreme Court ruled 5-4. Amy Coney Barrett joined the liberals, that yes, president has power, but due process has to be respected. However, Boasberg has no jurisdiction. That's the key. The judge that has the jurisdiction, the federal judge, is in Texas, where those gang members were being held before they were shipped back to El Salvador. That's the key. So all of these other judges, Spokane, Washington, all of these hand-picked, cherry-picked judges that are trying to stop the Trump orders are going to be knocked out because they don't have jurisdiction. I told you that when all this started to happen. That's the big thing here. Now, the migrants should have due process. And that brings us to Kilmar Garcia. He's a Marylander who the Trump administration admitted was deported by mistake. He's in the country. He's going through the asylum process. A judge has issued an order of protection against his deportation, but they booted him out anyway. And now he's in El Salvador. He shouldn't be in El Salvador. He should be back in Maryland with his wife and kids. That's due process. So the Supreme Court did comment on his case, says, look, we're going to take a look at it. I can guarantee you 100% that this man will be back here. And he should be. If I were President Trump, I would say, no, I'm bringing him back. I'm sending a plane down to get him. That's what I would do, because that's the right thing to do. President Trump is trying to fix the economy, but some believe the damage is already done. As the dollar value drops, China's power and gold keep going up. I called American Hartford Gold to diversify with physical precious metals, and you might consider that as well. They will help you secure your savings with physical gold and silver delivered right to your door, or you can set up a tax advantage gold IRA. Plus, it's tax and penalty free to roll over your current 401k or IRA. With billions in precious metals delivered, thousands of 5-star ratings, and an A+ from the Better Business Bureau, they are the only precious metals dealer I trust. So please call or text American Hartford Gold. Tell them O'Reilly sent you, and you might get $15,000 of free silver on a qualifying order. Call 866-501-5201 or text BILL to 65532. Again, 866-501-5201 or text BILL to 65532. Thank you for watching the No Spin News. To watch the full episode anytime on BillO'Reilly.com, please sign up to become a premium or concierge member. Visit BillO'Reilly.com to sign up and start watching today.